Popular comedian Kafupi's marriage has taken a dramatic public turn following explosive revelations by his estranged wife Mainga. For weeks, Kafupi had claimed that their marriage ended after he allegedly caught Mainga in bed with another man. However, Mainga has now come out to challenge that narrative, telling her side of the story during an interview on the All 7 podcast. According to Mainga, she left Kafupi peacefully in March, not because of infidelity, but due to what she described as his excessive drinking and irresponsible behavior. She further alleged that Kafupi was failing to pay their children's school fees, forcing her to make difficult decisions as a mother. Mainga dismissed Kafupi's claims of catching her with another man as false, saying she had endured troubling behavior in the marriage. In one shocking allegation, she cited an incident where Kafupi allegedly ate a baby's poo, which she says reflected the extent of his contact at the time. In a revelation that has stirred widespread reaction online, Mainga confirmed that she has since moved on and is now in a relationship with a married man. She said the man has been supporting her children by paying school fees and covering other basic expenses, something she claims Kafupi has not done since their separation. Mainga added that the man's family is aware of their relationship with him, although his wife is reportedly not yet aware. She further claimed that Kafupi has not provided any financial support for the children since they separated earlier this year. The story has ignited heated debate on social media, with opinions divided between those sympathizing with Mainga's situation and those questioning the moral implications of her new relationship. As the matter continues to unfold publicly, both sides remain locked in a battle of narratives, leaving the public to decide who to believe. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.